In demanding production environments and advanced R&D labs, there's no room for compromise. You need rapid elemental analysis that stays accurate, shift after shift, year after year. Malvern Panalytical presents Zetium, the industrial benchmark in WDXRF. Forged for industry, Zetium delivers long-term stability and more than 98% uptime. Zetium offers the fastest sample throughput in its class, while our compact airlock design accelerates loading cycles, reduces helium consumption, and keeps dust out of the optical path. More than 90% of leading companies trust Zetium to keep their operations running. Thanks to our patented X-ray tube, designed and manufactured in-house, offering 2 times lower drift than conventional tubes. Complete with corrosion-resistant coating that ensures longer tube lifetime. High linear count rate detectors and simultaneous ultralight element channels deliver speed and precision across the periodic table. Simultaneous WD and EDXRF analysis with our SumXcore technology cuts measurement time and reveals unexpected elements in routine workflows. And round-the-clock spectrometer health monitoring safeguards uptime. All with intuitive software that expedites application development and ensures ease of use for any user. Zetium, the industrial benchmark in WDXRF.